The New and Old House, a visionary project by Julian King Architect, began with the revival of a crumbling 1926 structure, once deemed a tear-down. The state of disrepair was symbolized by a vine that had crept through a gap in the concrete foundation, flourishing in the dim basement light. This odd yet persistent intrusion became the seed of inspiration for the redesign. The house was transformed into a modern 3-bedroom, 2-bath residence, complete with a home office and playroom. Key to this reinvention was the extension of the south wall to offset space claimed by a hallway leading to a striking new addition. In reimagining the house, the design embraced its historical roots while forging a bold new identity. The original Dutch colonial trim and false eaves were stripped away, revealing the raw simplicity of a square-gabled form reminiscent of the region's early agrarian structures. Reclaimed barn wood siding clad the old structure, forging a tactile link to the past and juxtaposition. The new addition defied conventional geometry, its sculptural form shaped by the contours of surrounding pines. This dynamic interplay between nature and architecture created a striking visual dialogue, with the addition appearing to bulge and twist as if yielding to the tree's quiet pressure. A seamless transition between the old and new was achieved through a luminous gap featuring a glass floor, a reimagined version of the Japanese engawa. Here, concealed planters nurtured trees that echoed the basement's determined vine, drawing nature inward. The new bedroom, nestled beneath a curved skylight, immersed residents in the canopy of branches above, blurring the line between shelter and wild. This fusion of old and new challenged the boundaries of architectural preservation and modern. Living.it was a testament to coexistence, where the past's archetypal solidity met the fluid, nature-infused ethos of contemporary design, revealing how the old can become new once again.